Hi, this is Litre Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2018 Holden Equinox, stock number 6483. This ran from the 9th 2017 to the 12th 2020. It has a EQ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the EQ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door code, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke Litre steering wheel, instrument cluster,